Any recent loss-making company in India for which the government did a complete disinvestment and it went into the private hands? Do you know anything about disinvestment?
Yes, sir.
What is it?
Government, I mean, and anyone can do a disinvestment, like giving the shares to the public and gaining some.
What is financial inclusion?
Financial inclusion means just to involve.
Tell me, what is FDI?
So foreign direct investment.
क्या होती है ये? I mean,
Sir, ये
suppose they are earning profits and they are taking away all their profits. What India is gaining out of it? Tell me, what is personal loan in banking?
so in banking, when we take for the personal, like may I come in, sir?
Aye, please.
Good morning, sir. Good
Morning.
morning, sir.
Good
morning, sir. Thank you, sir.
Astha.
Yes, sir.
Please introduce yourself.
Sir, thank you for giving me this opportunity. First of all, thank you so much. As you know, my name is Astha. I belong from Khairtal Tijara, district of Rajasthan. I have done my schooling from RPS Public School, Rewari. And after that, I have...
Rewari or Bhiwadi?
Rewari,
Okay.
Haryana.
Hmm.
And after that, I have done my graduation in BSc Physical Science from Gargi College, University of Delhi. And after that, I start preparing for my examinations, banking examinations. And last year I was unable to clear for my interview, and this time I have cleared for interview. Thank you, sir.
So you are from Khairtal.
Yes, sir.
From which district it has parted?
No, sir. Last year, in the Ashok Gehlot government, new district were allotted, and this is the new district. Khairtal
It was
Tijara.
part of Alwar, na?
Yes, sir. Earlier it was a part.
And you are from Khairtal and you are studying in Haryana. Why?
Sir,
RPS
actually, yeah,
school. I mean,
Rewari.
why
Sir,
so far? 40 kilometers, 50 kilometers.
That was not that much far from my village actually. My district is Khairtal Tijara, but the area where I live, my village,
It
that
is
is
near to Bhiwadi or Rewari?
Rewari.
No, but it is near to Bhiwadi. Otherwise,
No, sir. It is near to Rewari.
it's on the main national highway towards Jaipur,
Yes, sir.
not towards Alwar.
No, sir.
Okay. Which is the biggest city in your district?
District. So it is Bhiwadi, Khairtal Tijara.
Biggest city, I am asking. Bhiwadi.
Bhiwadi, yeah.
Why
Bhiwadi
it is
a
famous
city.
for?
So for industrial area, it is famous for.
You know its ranking.
No, sir.
Any USP of Bhiwadi?
USP, sorry, sir.
It is the dirtiest.
Yeah, because of the industry, this.
AQI level is the dirtiest in the country.
Yes.
Number one.
Okay, sir.
And number two, it is the second largest industrial area.
Okay, sir.
Okay, you should know about your district.
Bhiwadi.
Okay,
Yes.
tell me what is FDI?
So foreign direct investment.
क्या होती है ये? I mean,
सर ये मतलब दूसरे फॉरेन कंट्रीज से इंडिया में इन्वेस्टमेंट होती है, लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए होती है, दो होती है, एक लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए होती है, वो एफडीआई।
suppose they are earning profits and they are taking away all their profits. What India is gaining out of it?
सर एम्प्लॉयमेंट they are generating in India, which will help in GDP for the country, and there are some other factors also.
You know what are the changes in budget this time? Any three highlights?
So first of all, there is a change in KCC, Kisan Credit Limit, card limit. Earlier it was 3 lakh, and now it is 5 lakh. And the second one is changes, or I can tell
Highlights.
Okay.
Okay.
So, Makhana board in Bihar, and National Institute.
Anything related to FDI?
So there is related to FDI, yeah. Insurance sector. Earlier it was 74%, now it is 100% for insurance.
But as you told earlier, they are taking away their profits, or only employment will get. But I think some condition is put for 100%.
Sorry, sir, I don't
Nahi
know.
malum? Okay. Tell me latest 3 news about India.
India. So currently in India, yeah, like I can tell about the Delhi also.
Anything?
So in Delhi, we recently see the election, and in Mahakumbh right now going on in UP Prayagraj, and I'm unable to recall the third one. Let me think.
Hmm.
So there is some UGC in the cabinet for the grant, University Grant Commission changes there are some.
Acha. That is there.
Yes, sir.
Tell me, what is personal loan in banking?
So in banking, when we take for the personal, like,
Can I take purchase loan for purchase of my dress or
yeah, this all is considered in personal loan. All of these are considered in personal loan, I guess.
अच्छा okay ठीक
Tell me about monetary policy training. What is monetary policy training?
Sir, monetary policy, it was introduced by the Mr. Arjit Patel committee just to make the liquidation. I'm sorry to pronounce it in the wrong way. For the like in the liquidity in the market, it was constituted, and there are 6 members in the MPC, and it comes under the section 45 ZB of RBI Act 1934, and 3 members from the Government of India and 3 members from the RBI, whereas the quorum for it is 4 members, and
कर दी ऊपर
it happens bi-monthly.
What is financial inclusion?
Financial inclusion means just to involve all the people of the country towards the financial terms, like how it happens, how can we get benefit from it, and all the things. And there are many things from like initiatives by the Government of India for the financial inclusions.
What is retail banking, madam?
So retail banking is related to just normal banking. We can give deposit from the customers, and we can rent to the lenders. Give lend to the lenders.
What is private sector banking?
So there are 9 factors, or you can say sectors, which are given by the RBI for the priority sector lending. Just to make like earlier, bank were not giving loans to agriculture, export for these 9 factors. So they were introduced just to make them also develop for the growth of the country.
What is CR?
CRR is the cash reserve ratio. That is currently it is 4%. It was changed from in the last MPC only, and it is the cash ratio which bank has to keep with the RBI against only just we have to keep with the RBI. With the RBI don't give any interest on it.
Do you know anything about disinvestment?
Yes, sir.
What is it?
Government, I mean, and anyone can do disinvestment, like giving the shares to the public and gaining some rupees from them just for our benefit. Disinvestment.
Disinvestment, I mean, the government does disinvestment.
Yes, sir.
They do disinvestment of, I mean, in what sort of a form and of which companies they do?
Said only the government do disinvestment in which they have the stakes.
They have stakes in which companies?
Recently they have in LIC and many more
All
companies.
those public sector undertakings.
Yes, sir.
Even the bank that you are appearing in for, all these banks, they are all public sector banks.
Yes, sir.
The government has the majority share. So the moment government decides to dilute it, to give it to the public, that is called disinvestment.
Okay, sir.
Any recent loss-making company in India for which the government did a complete disinvestment and it went into the private hands?
Sir, IDBI Bank, I guess. LIC owns its all stakes now.
LIC took all the stakes, but still the government is holding them. But there is a company where it gave it to the private sector totally.
Sir, let me think. Sir, Air India, I guess.
Yes.
They
Who
did.
took this airlines?
Said Mr. Ratan Tata Holdings.
Tata took it. Who is the CEO of Tata Sons and TCS?
Right now, it is. I'm unable to recall the name, and it starts from N. I don't remember. I'm unable to recall.
N. Chandrasekhar.
No.
Tata TCS and Tata Sons. The chairman of Tata Sons.
Oh, sorry, I don't remember right now.
N. Chandrasekhar.
Okay, sir.
Okay. You, sir, asked you about CRR
Yes, sir.
and SLR.
Yes, sir.
These are the monetary policy tools. Now, what are they? I mean, what is the purpose of having CRR fixed at either increasing or decreasing, or SLR increasing or decreasing? What is the purpose of doing this?
सर इन केस अगर बैंक को कुछ हो जाता है लॉस वगैरह हो जाता है तो दे हैव ए रिजर्व रेशियो लाइक CRR विद द RBI एंड SLR विद themselves only in form of government securities, cash or gold, anything they can keep with themselves just to make unexpected situations से अपने आप को उभारने के लिए.
अच्छा. Are they being used to control liquidity also? Apart from this is a function which you said CRR and SLR are used to secure. I mean,
yes, sir. Currently, when the percentage has changed from 4.5% to 4% in CRR,
it is not changed now. It is still
no, sir, in the last in December policy.
In December policy.
Yes, sir. At that time, liquidity was infused.
By doing this, they infuse the liquidity.
Yes, sir.
Why do they infuse liquidity into the system? What is the reason? The purpose of infusing liquidity?
सर अभी मतलब जो प्रोडक्शन वगैरह हो रहा है वो कम हो रहा है, डिमांड कम है जैसे कंपनीज वगैरह में, क्योंकि लोगों के पास कम पैसा है.
अच्छा.
तो इन्फ्यूजन से फिर वो ज़्यादा पैसा.
Very good.
Okay. So, Asta, when is your interview?
So it is on 12th.
So, hardly 2-3. Only tomorrow.
क्या?
एक दिन ही रह गया ना फिर तो.
हाँ 2 दिन.
बट एक चीज़ अच्छी लगी मुझे, डिस्पाइट यू आर साइंस स्टूडेंट, फिर भी बैंकिंग और जनरल अवेयरनेस बाकी चीज़ों के बारे में आपको अच्छा पता था. ठीक है. एंड ड्रेस वाइज आल्सो यू आर गुड, कॉन्फिडेंस भी ठीक ठाक है. आप कुछ पूछना चाहते हैं तो बताइए.
सर जैसे मेरी प्रायोरिटी लिस्ट में ना, जैसे वो मैंने सच बोलूँगी आपसे तो वो मतलब मैंने वैकेंसी के हिसाब से भरी थी. आई वाज नॉट
सेंट्रल बैंक को डाला ऊपर.
हाँ
वो सभी ने ऐसे किया सर.
नहीं सर, कुछ लोगों का PNB भी है.
उससे क्या, तुम सच बोल रही हो भाई, वैकेंसी ज्यादा है. देयर आर
ये
मोर
मैं
चांसेस.
पैनल में बोल सकती हूँ.
क्यों नहीं बोल सकते?
अच्छा ठीक है. और जैसे मतलब वो ये भी पूछे, जैसे मेरा इसमें सेंट्रल बैंक,
लेकिन एक चीज वो कह सकते हैं कि आई मीन द बेस्ट ऑफ द बैंक्स, लाइक इसमें कैनरा बैंक है, PNB है, सेंट्रल बैंक तो
Why did you not opt for the best
फाइनेंशियली
bank?
तो उतने साउंड नहीं है वो.
हाँ, और मतलब फिर मैंने NP वगैरह चेक किया तो इतना अच्छा भी नहीं है.
वही मैं बोल रहा हूँ आपको. आप सच बोल दीजिए कि मैंने इसलिए किया, बट बाकी बैंक भी ठीक है. वेयरएवर आई विल गेट, इज नो इशू.
और मेरा अकाउंट PNB में है. अगर वो मुझसे पूछते हैं कि आपका अकाउंट किस में, तो मेरे को PNB बोलना है. फिर मेरे को
PNB बोल दीजिए, उसमें क्या है.
वो
दैट इज द बिगेस्ट बैंक.
फिर नहीं वो ये बोल सकते कि आपने प्रायोरिटी लिस्ट में, तो
आप ये बोलिए सर्विस से और मेरी सर्विस करने से तो उससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता ना. सभी बैंक तो सेम ही है ना. ऑल आर गवर्नमेंट ओन्ड बैंक्स. उससे क्या फर्क पड़ता. ठीक है.
Why did you have 1 A in Asta instead of 2?
So I don't know, my grandfather did it earlier.
ठीक है. एनीथिंग एल्स?
No sir, thank you.
विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट. डू वेल.
All the best.